Alright, hello. Back again. Sound test number 11. Volume's down now to 40 out of 59. And I'm just on my way to do a little bit of shopping. I thought, bugger it, take the bike, do a sound test. I've also changed the frames per second back to 25 rather than 30. My last couple of videos that I put up on the channel, they looked to me like they're really blurry, and I wasn't quite sure if it was because of that I'd changed. So anyway, I've put that back to 25 for your higher def viewing pleasure. Hopefully this is coming through a lot clearer, the picture. And the volume, as I said, I've turned it down on the external mic to 40 out of 59, so it's sitting at 2/3. Hopefully it is a bit clearer, not as much wind noise as yesterday's test. Yeah. I'm still uploading another video at the moment. Something must be wrong with my internet, I think, because it's taken, oh geez, coming up 20 hours now to upload to YouTube. I don't know if, like, I haven't done anything different, I don't think, but anyway, that's sound test number 10, so hopefully you've already checked that one out. It's a nice ride through the streets of Vic Park. So the result of that was, as I sort of explained in the showing off the bike video, I can't get any aftermarket for this bike because it's too old. So that sort of disappointed me a bit, but at the same time, you know, I've been riding this as is for near on 10 years. I figure why change now, and if I am going to change, well, just go and buy another bike, you know. It's but time will tell on that one as well. I'm not exactly in a position at the moment to just go forking out $10,000 for another bike, so unfortunately, but who knows, I might win the lotto, and then I can buy whatever bike I bloody well want, and all the fruit to go with it. But then I'd probably have no time to ride it because I'd always be on holidays. So yeah, anyway, coming up to the shops now. As I said, it's only a quick ride, but purely for a sound test. I'll sign off now. Wearing my new gloves as well, which I bought yesterday. I bought those after I realised I couldn't do anything with the bike, so it was a bit of a soft buy just to try to cheer me up a bit. So this is them, 5 brand, really warm. They've got like sheepskin stuff on the inside, keeping me super warm. Alrighty, that will do nicely. Okay, see you in a bit. Alrighty, shopping is done. Got all my gear to go back to work in a couple of days. I'm set. Lazy day tomorrow, which is just what I like. Or it might be a catch up with Jim a day and a few bevies. I do apologise for me clearing my throat all the time, but still getting over a bit of the old winter cold. So just have to bear with me. Yeah. Alrighty, so I suppose for this part I can do the visor down test. It's probably still going to sound very muffled like it has on most of the other tests, but that's just something that I'm going to have to get used to on the videos, because I can't see a way around it. You know, you get it good with the visor up and it sounds shit with the visor down, or you get it good with the visor down and it sounds shit with the visor up. So you're kind of stuck between the old rock and the hard place. But anyway, that's that one. So, bit of a nicer day today. Not as cold as it was yesterday when I was doing sound test 10. What's this cyclist doing? Let's see if he wants to have a chat. Oh, can't get the visor up. Well, he doesn't want to talk anyway. Screw him. Oh, what's he gonna do? Oh, he's tanned. Oh, he's an old boy. I better not rev bomb him. Give him an old heart attack. He was doing the right thing. He's in the bike lane, so good on him. Our road rules over in Perth for bike lanes are they seem to be giving the cyclists more and more freedom, which I completely disagree with. I think that they're an absolute hazard on the road. There's plenty of paths around and they should be riding on those. If they want to be on the road, well, register your bike, but even then it's still going to be dangerous, because you don't have the power to get out of trouble. There's idiot cyclists that remain to be not wearing any high vis at all, or no lights, which it just staggers me. It really does, that people still do it. I think they've got more of a death wish than what us motorcyclists do. But anyway, that's my rant. It's over, and this video is over. Thanks for watching. Stay upright, stay safe, stay on two wheels. You've been watching Thirst on Wheels. See you next time.